Today I am recreating a look. She said, be careful of those little clicks, Vilna, because it's not always as pretty on the outside as you see in it, because behind closed doors you don't know what's going on. And I had groups of people, but I was in the happy group. I was always laughing my butt off. I was always being a clown. I mean, I had lots of serious moments, because sometimes people used to tell me, you don't talk, because sometimes I say nothing. And they say, oh my God, you're so shy, you don't talk, what's wrong with you? And stuff like that. And I know some days I used to act and think that I was better than other kids in those different groups and stuff like that. I would judge them. I would judge them. I would challenge them. You think you're better than us because your mother is a teacher and your father is a teacher and this and that and that and that. And I would challenge them. Sometimes I wanted to be in their little group, but I wasn't smart enough. I wasn't pretty enough. I didn't have clothes like them, so I didn't fit in. So you know what? It was hard. It was hard, trust me, because I wanted to be in some of these little groups. But I navigate and I did my own thing. I took part in competition. I did a lot of stuff. And some groups, and then once you start doing your own thing, all of a sudden they're like, you want to join our group? And I was like, nope, because by now I already grew thick skin and I was it. And I didn't care. I don't want to be in your group. So now I had people coming to me and being in my group, because I would sit and laugh and talk crap. And I tell you, I would laugh until tears run down my eyes. And I would sit under the tree and I would relax. And then all of a sudden I had all these friends, because I'm a friendly person. I like to talk to people. I had lots of friends, and we would talk and we'd hang out and we'd laugh. And all of a sudden now my group was bigger than everybody else, because when people came to my group, I saw them for who they were. Didn't even understand that back then when I was a kid. But I did. I see them for who they are. But I've always put myself on a pedestal. I always thought I was this shit better than people. When you are so full of yourself sometimes, this is how you think. But as you get older, you realize, nope, we're all the same people. Cliques or no cliques, groups or no groups, we're all the same people. We all need the same air. We are all navigating this world just to find who we are and to be safe and to be healthy and to care for each other. That is what the whole bottom line is. So when you were a kid, you do kid stuff. When you grown and you know better, you do better. So today I am saying, don't stay down in the valley too long. Make friends along the way. Find who you are and spend time with who you are, so you are comfortable in your own skin. To anyone who is listening and watching this video, I want you to know that you are blessed. You are blessed beyond measure. Don't give up. Whatever the situation is today, if you wake up this morning and your eyes are open and you have the breath of life, don't give up. Find a way to navigate today. Only think of today. It is very hard to do. It is not an easy thing to do, but think of only today. If you try to think of other days like tomorrow, what tomorrow will be, or what yesterday was, you get overwhelmed. Only think of today, like now. That will help you navigate whatever situation, whatever troubles, whatever depression, whatever it is today. It will help a little, because the less you put on your plate today, the better it will be for you to navigate it. If you try to put everything on your plate at one time, you will have a hard time trying to figure out which one is first. I am back with today's look. It's a recreation of Michelle's 5th YouTube anniversary look that we did on a live, a Sunday skin. You can go check H Graceful for that video. But I did green because Michelle liked green, and I did bling on my eyes because she loves bling. So that sparkly color shimmer right here is for Michelle Bling. And Michelle also loves perfume, so I am spraying a little bit of perfume for Michelle also. And pink is also one of her colors, so I added a little bit of pink lipstick. This is my look. Green, bling, pink, and a little bit of perfume for H the Graceful Michelle. Check her channel out if you want to see that live, because all of them will look like they are first. So try to do one thing at a time and do the hardest thing first. The hardest thing on your plate, do it first, because everything else will flow easier. Today's inspirational word is have faith. Have faith. Bye.